Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Philip Joshua, and on this channel I've been teaching a lot of things about Forex market. You all know that already. And for the people that are just coming across the video today, welcome to the channel, man. This is what we do here. We teach about Forex markets. People get to learn and they get to become profitable in the long run. So lately, I know you guys have missed me a lot. I've not been posting any content, no videos, no tests, like nothing, bro. I was just working on myself and some other things that I needed to work on, and also uh, I won't lie, I don't have any video to post right now. In fact, I've done everything that I needed to do on this channel already. I've posted everything that I need to learn. So why should I go about, trying to repeat those contents again, man? But somehow I just feel like I need to create a video for you guys again, especially for beginners. Maybe in my next video I'll get to create a video for beginners so they can get to learn also and get better in terms of their own trading, or I get to teach them on how to start trading properly so that from there they can get to grow faster in terms of trading also. Because the last video I did for beginners, it wasn't as dope as I want, so I might get to touch that a little bit, man. So back to your screen, back to our YouTube channel. This year we're gonna go harder and we're gonna put in more work to see if we're gonna see more results. In fact, the target for the year is $100K, and I believe it's gonna be very possible, very possible, and I'm also very positive about this. So I'm gonna put in the work. Let's see if we're gonna achieve this, man. It's just $100K, bro. But still, yet, it looks like something that might take some time, but man, let's just put in the work and see if we get to achieve this or not. But if we get to achieve it, that's going to be one of the best news that I will ever share on this media, and we're gonna do this without any problem. So I'm gonna fund my account and I will get to trade with people that are on the Telegram community also. If you haven't joined that Telegram community, do it to go and join it right now. If you haven't used our link to open an account for yourself, get to use the link in my description or the link in my comment section and get to open an account for yourself so you can get to start trading like us and get to make money from the market, man. There's a lot of money in this market, a lot, man, and people are making it and people are still losing it. So follow the people that knows how to trade and get to make money with them. A good example of that. And come on, what's holding you from joining the Telegram community? Click the link in the description or the link in the comment section and get to join us on that Telegram community also, guys. So the target for the year is just $100K, and it's very possible that we can achieve that in a year, guys. This is just January. Before December, that's about 11 more months to go. So 11 months and some days is too big, man. It's too big in my face for such little goal not to be achieved. So I would love to share the plans with you guys on how I'm gonna achieve this also, and things I'm gonna look into, so that if at all you want to set up a goal for yourself also, you can also look into these things and get to work on them in order to get better at it also, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna look into is my entries and my exit. I'm gonna work on that crazily this year, because these are the two things I need in order to make money from trading. Forget about the buy button, the sell button. Those things are not that important if your entries and exit are wrong. So I'm gonna work more on my entries and my exit points in the market. I'm gonna be very realistic with myself. I've been a day trader, and sometimes my take profit looks like swing trades take profit in the market, and it's crazy. So I'm gonna work on that also to see if I can get to set realistic goals every day, get to achieve them and get to grow bigger in terms of my account size in the market, and also my exit point, which is another important point that I'm gonna work on also. A lot of times we get to see profit in the market, we get to see crazy figures, and at the end of everything we don't get to close anything or get to lock in anything due to the fact that our exit point was not realistic also. So I'm gonna work on these, make sure my exit point is realistic and my entry points are very realistic. So I want you to also focus on that, because that's the major thing that you need in order to grow your account faster as a trader, man. I believe there's a possibility that any account size can actually grow, either $10, $20, $50. There's a high chances of we getting to grow that if at all we get to do the right things in the market. We'll get to see results, man. I believe that so much. I believe that. So I'm gonna work on these two things, entries and exit, so that I can get to set up realistic goals every day and get to smash those realistic goals in the market in order to get better and grow faster as a trader, man. Very important. And also another thing I want to work more on this year is my lot size. Most of the times I don't usually use lot sizes that are very big in the market, and I feel like I just need to top it up a little bit, not too much, not me using kind of one lot size, two lot size for now. No, I don't have that in my mind, but I'm gonna work on my lot size, increase a little bit, take more risks this year, and get a lucky more profit because I need more profit at this point. I'm not gonna lie to anybody. I need more profit at this point to build a lot of things that I want to build this year and also make my dreams come to pass because I have my own personal goals. Also, just like the way you have yours, I have mine, and $100K is enough to sort out most of these goals that I have for myself too. So I'm gonna work on that to see if I can get to sort it out before the end of this year too. So I'm gonna increase my lot size a little bit, not because I'm under pressure. No, nobody can pressure me, but I'm just trying to make sure I gotta make something very, very realistic. Since I have a target, let me work on how to get that target achieved in the market, guys. So very, very important too. And the next thing I'm gonna work on is my risk to reward plan. Most of the times we get a lock in, and at the end of everything we get to close before we get to see the reward that we expected to get from the market. This is out of indiscipline at some point and sometimes emotions because I'm still human at the end of everything, and I still get to fall into that position of getting emotional at some point. You get to see positions whereby this is not gonna work out, and you have to get out of the chart after seeing some of these kind of things in the market, and this is one of the reasons why the reward doesn't get to meet. I'm gonna work more on this also to get a better structure of trading and get to make more money from the market. Very, very, very important, guys. So the last thing I want to work more on is my plan management because every month I have a target. Right now it's not like the way I used to live my life before. I have a target every month, and I'm just trying to make sure I get to achieve them. So if you also want to make that kind of amount this year, you have to have a target, probably an amount of money you're expecting to make per month in order to grow faster as human or as a trader or as whatever you're doing, man. You need to have a plan management. So every month I'm going to set out a plan for myself that I will get to see if I will get to achieve them, and if I get to do them, good and fine, man. It will be a great thing of joy, and man, it's gonna be one of the happiest things to achieve your goals every month. In fact, do more than the goals and keep leveling up, man. So I'll try my best to make sure I achieve some of my goals for the month. In fact, most of the goals I'm gonna get the money from my trading account. So very soon be expecting live trading videos on this channel. I don't think I have anything to teach you guys again. I don't think, except I just get to make that 1 hour plus video that I'm working on right now for beginner traders. I just get to make that for them, and I think that's all, man. I think that's all. I don't think I have anything to teach you guys again, except I just want to make some trading calls for you guys. uh Probably I get to start up again and get to show you guys on things that actually work in the market now, unlike last year. And although the market doesn't change that fast, but there are still things that works in the market, and the more you study the chart by yourself after getting the major informations which I've passed out last year, you can just use those information and get to work more on the chart and get to make money for yourself, man. So that's all. That's all, man. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching to this point. I want to see you in my next video. Don't forget to do what? Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share with your friends. Whichever level you are, I've created every video you need for such level in order to grow faster as a trader, man. So get to learn more about the chart, guys. See you in my next video, probably a beginner course, so that beginners can also get into this market and get to make money from the market, guys. Peace and love.